pretty excited, guys. It's so pretty. So I went shopping today and I came back home with this package here. And I got a MacBook. Aha! Right here. This is the MacBook Air. Here's the packaging. So this is the MacBook Air 13-inch, and it has a 1.1 gigahertz quad-core Core i5 processor with turbo boost up to 3.5 gigahertz, and it also has 512 gigabyte storage. There is one that's cheaper, that's around 1.1K. I believe this one, with the promotion that I got it for around 1.5K. There were 3 color options that you could choose from. There was silver, gold, and space gray, and I decided to go with the silver one. Ah yes, I'm already getting my fingerprints all over it. It has a nice smell. I'm actually getting this MacBook to replace my old MacBook Pro, which is a 2015 version. I believe it only has 128 gigabytes of storage space. I have my old MacBook right here. They look very similar. Before I open up this new laptop, I'm just gonna show you guys what else is in this box. It comes with this little manual as well. It just tells you a little bit of information on how to set up your MacBook. If you've had a MacBook before, it's pretty self-explanatory stuff. Of course, they provide you with the USB-C power adapter as well as the cord you need to charge your MacBook with. Let's get a look at the computer itself and set it up. So it is a Retina display, 13.3 inches. Gonna set it up now. Right away, it's telling me to pick my language. English for me.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
I'm gonna charge my laptop right now as I migrate all my information from my old MacBook to this new one. I'm using a Seagate backup drive to do this. It has all my backups and everything of my old MacBook. I have to plug it into an adapter first, and then plug the adapter into my computer, since the computer only has USB-C ports. I actually also got AirPod Pros here. I'm gonna do an unboxing of this too. There's actually a student promotion right now, and if you are a college or university student, you can get AirPods for free and a discount if you buy an eligible Mac or iPad. So for this specific MacBook, I saved around $130, and I got the AirPod Pros as well, which I had to pay an extra $110 for. They just give you the regular AirPods, the older version, but you can pay extra $110 to upgrade to the AirPod Pro. And yeah, it's a pretty good deal, so I got one. Okay. There is a manual. It just has some simple instructions on how to connect the AirPods to your computer or phone. And here it is. If you open it up, here they are. And the charging case. You have your charging cable right here. And let's see. I believe this is where they put the extra ear tips that they give you. There are another 2 different sizes. A function that the AirPod Pros have that the regular AirPods don't have is the noise cancellation mode. I use it pretty frequently when I'm out and about. The battery life isn't the best on these. They probably run out of battery within 3 hours or so, but it also charges very quickly, so I guess there's that trade-off. I already have a pair of AirPods. This is gonna be for my mom. The migration is complete. If you're like me and you don't use any crazy CPU intensive softwares, I say that the MacBook Air is enough if you're just, going to school, taking notes on it. While I did see some reviews warning people against getting the MacBook Air if you're going to be doing video editing, I thought the MacBook Air would be fine because I don't really do editing too often, and the edits I do are pretty minor, nothing too crazy. If you want to game, this probably isn't the computer for you. So, contrary to what I was just saying in this video, I used the MacBook Air for a couple of days and found out that even simple video editing on software such as iMovie and Final Cut Pro overheats the computer too easily. So I ended up exchanging it for a new MacBook Pro. I hope you guys enjoy watching my unboxing and setting up of my computer, as well as the little unboxing of the AirPods that I got as well. Keep in mind of the promotion, it ends on October 12th, I believe. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!